Hello students, welcome to Surface classes. Let's start. Let's discuss some question regarding an ellipse. The question is, given f is increasing, the equation x square by f2a plus y square a square minus 3 represents an ellipse with x axis as if major axis. So he wants to know that as given the f is an increasing function, okay, it represents an ellipse with x as a major axis. So he wants to know that a lies in which what interval. So f2a, since major axis is on x axis, major axis on x axis, therefore f2a is greater than fa minus 3. Therefore 2a will be greater than a minus a square minus 3, right? Now a square minus 2a minus 3 will be less than 0, or a minus 3 into a plus 1 is less than 0. This implies that minus, see, a, we are, you know what we are concerned with, try to understand the question. The question says that f is increasing, okay, the equation this x square by f2a y square by represents an ellipse with x as a major axis, and we need to find that a lies in what interval. If that is the condition, that f is increasing and the ellipse is, this ellipse is having x as a, then where does a lie? So from this equation we can easily say that a is lying with somewhere between minus 1 and 3. So you can write a belongs to set of minus 1 comma this interval, okay, this interval, or in other words you can write that a, this is the ideal way in this particular interval. So your option A is your correct option. This option A is your correct option. A belongs to a set of minus 1 and 3. So that's your answer, okay, option A, minus 1. Thank you for watching.